Greetings, everyone! In this opportunity, we are going to present our research about changes in the trade culture of the Benteng Chinese community in Tangerang post the 1998 riots. Before we start, please allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Aiden Budiani.
And my name is Angelica Dyah Puspita.
We come from Tarakanita Gading Senior High School.
Cina Benteng is an ethnic group of local-born Chinese who live in Tangerang, especially the Pasar Lama area. The 1998 riot is a tragedy caused by the Asian monetary crisis that happened in cities across Indonesia. This tragedy resulted in uncontrolled demonstrations, looting, sexual harassment, and violence which were mostly targeted towards Chinese civilians.
Being an area with a vast Chinese population, it is likely that the Pasar Lama will be a target of riot. Such events must have brought a significant effect to a place with such diversity, and that is why we chose to discuss the effects of the 1998 riots on Cina Benteng people. The purpose of this research is more people can know about the existence of Cina Benteng and they can accept facts about the 1998 riots that were previously untold.
Bisanya terjadi begini karena ada kenaikan harga yang tidak melampaui batas. Sedangkan yang pegang ekonomi di Indonesia kan kebanyakan orang Cina.
The problem formulation are number 1. How was the situation in Pasar Lama during the 1998 riots? And 2. What effect did the riots bring to Cina Benteng citizens and their surrounding environment?
This research was done with a qualitative method in order to explore deeper insights into the problem. We also followed the 5 steps of history research, starting with choosing a topic. We choose this topic because of the easy access and sufficient sources. Next is heuristic. That's where we search and gather relevant historical sources. Those are interviews with real people involved in the event, internet articles, documents, past works, and visits to the location of the event. Next is critic, where we decide if a source is worth analyzing or not, by paying attention to its writer, year of writing, source, and of course the content itself. With our selected data, we can go to the interpretation process, where we connect and interpret verified information from many sources. Last one is historiography, where we form our interpretation into a narrative analysis, that being our research paper and this presentation video.
The result is, despite being an area with a large Chinese population and a higher chance of being looted, Pasar Lama is safe from the riots. That matches with the request made by Tim Relawan untuk Kemanusiaan published in 1999 that doesn't show Pasar Lama in their table of riots throughout 13 to 15 May 1998. This is the result of the effort made by locals there to protect their area, including their Chinese neighbors and their shops. They guarded around their settlement so mass provocateur from other cities can go through and storm the area. Trust and voluntary acts play an important part in events like this.
As for the conclusion, first, there are no crimes found in the Pasar Lama area, unlike in many nearby areas. This is a result of the effort put together by the people there, both the locals and the Chinese sellers. And second, this event had an effect on Cina Benteng people and their surrounding environment. First, for the Cina Benteng people, their economy increased thanks to the cooperation between both locals and the Chiban people. And for the surrounding environment,
the economy in the area also got boosted because many new jobs felt open due to healthy relationship between the people there. This show in the famous food tourism in Pasar Lama in the present day.
And because of that, for our future, it is very recommended for us to keep tolerance going on in our day-to-day life,
because it will surely bring positive impacts such as
increased economy,
strong kinship,
long-living cultures,
and quality human resources. Here is the list of books, journals, and articles we use as a reference for our research.
And that's the end of our presentation. We hope it can give you insight on our new research. Thank you so much for listening.